Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download your resume from the Indeed app. Downloading your resume allows you to easily share it with potential employers or save it for your records. So, let's get started on how to download your resume from the Indeed app. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Profile. In the profile settings, locate the CV section and tap on it. Now, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the download option. The resume file will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, tap on the file to open it. And that's how you can download resume from Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.